golf indoor, in the dark, surrounded by monsters? Well, it's about time you try. Monster Mini Golf is indoor, glow-in-the-dark, monster-themed mini golf. Huge special effects, 2 private party rooms, cool music with an interactive DJ, arcade and energy games,
Jojo and
Soupy.
Soupy.
Family entertainment, and re-cost less than movies. Frightfully fun for all ages.
Jojo.
4751 White Lane, Bakersfield, next to In-Shape Fitness. For details about
Kissy,
party specials
kissy,
and
it's your
visit
girlfriend.
monsterminigolf.com.
Mom's Taekwondo Academy, your officially commissioned academy.
Pretty
With
Joe.
over 30 years experience. Gain the power to show confidence, self-esteem, and earn better grades. We teach children respect, discipline,
Tell Micah a story.
community service. We deliver, offering the highest quality instruction to all ages, from beginners to high-level competitors, with over 50 national champions. Mom's Taekwondo Academy, 3536 Stein Road in the Vaughn Shopping Center. Call 823-2625.
All right. Then Taco decided to go for a stroll with Jojo. And how about Micah? Did you see her go bye-bye and go pick flowers? Making pretty flowers. Is that where they went?
We need to turn that TV down.
On the sidewalk.
Mom, turn that down.
Have the thing.
Leo.
We decided to go for a little walk. Walk, walk, walk. Micah says, Paco, let's go for a walk in the flowers. And Micah says, no, we can't do that. We'll get into trouble. And Mama would turn that big old dog.
He's getting the ball.
What?
He wants the ball.
You have to go lay down.
Soupy,
So I
you're
can
interrupting the
finish our
story. You're being rude. Lay down.
And the parrots decided they would go for a big
Bend
walk in Jojo. Jojo!
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
I'm super sorry. Don't get growly. No.
So they went for a big walk, and there was flowers, and Paco says, oh, Micah, let's go get the flowers. Hurry, hurry. Micah said, no, there's a big dog. Look at this big dog. Oh, big dog. Big dog. Yeah, big
Wait.
dog.
Get out of the way.
So they found the flowers. Oh, thank you. And they had a ball, and they decided to play ball while they went for this walk. And they went down, and they got the flowers, and they got the...
You guys.
Can Paco have this? Or is your name Paco? Paco got the flowers. No, Mike has got...
Soupy.
Who's got the flowers? Oh,
Soup.
no. Look at him standing with his feet up. Where's the flowers? Paco says, let's go get him. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. Go get the flowers. Quick. Hurry, Jojo. Hurry. And here comes the big dogs. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Come on, now you can be growly. You go
Growly pants. Growly.
Go get the flowers. Go get them. Yeah, look at that. Oh, here he comes. Come on, guys. Oh, you better hurry. Hurry. Woo! Woo! You better hurry. Come on, it's okay. Yes, it's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, Paco. Micah, come on. Paco, where's Paco? Oh, where's Paco?
Kisses.
Where did he go? Oh, you better hurry. You better hurry. They're going to be all gone. They're gonna get Mama's flowers. Oh, there they go. You better hurry, Jojo. Hurry. Okay, good. You ran interception. You saved him. Yes, you did. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good. Good, good, good. Hurry before the doggies get you. Come on, hurry. Come on. You better hurry. Here. Come on. Oh, good. Oh, boy.
Oh,
Whoops. Go get it. Sue, get the ball. Come on.
don't drop it on JoJo's head.
Come on. Oh, my goodness. You getting a little nervous? Huh? Are you getting nervous? Come on. Here. Oh, my goodness. JoJo, come here. Where's JoJo? Huh? Paco.
Oh, cowboy. Oh, kisses. Wheel.
Okay. Oh, that was a cool cut. Yeah, that was good.
We are heading outside. I want to demonstrate what my wannabe pit bulls are like. Ow! Okay, really? Seriously? Okay. Go, guys, go. Get it. There they go. Get it. Get it, super. Oh, yeah, mean vicious. They're mean and vicious. Get it. Ah, looky. Get it.